Welcome back and welcome if you are new to my real life messy house. If you are struggling with cleaning house while living with anxiety and depression, or maybe you are just too overwhelmed by the mess in your house and you don't know how to get started cleaning the mess, then the Mighty Mama channel is definitely for you. My name is Laura. I am a single mom of three. I am just over here surviving single motherhood every day, all the while trying to reach my goal of minimalism and bring my house from messy to minimal. And let me tell you, it has been quite the challenge, especially over the past few years when life has thrown me many curveballs, going from stay-at-home mom for almost 15 years to now single mom and sole provider, and just, oh my gosh, it has been rough, but I am here and I am back on YouTube to show all of you that if I can do this, you can do this, and to remind you to never give up on any goals or any dreams that you may have. And yes, one of my main goals is to bring my home from messy to minimal and become more minimalist and just to regain order and control and clean and declutter and organize my home and have one of those pretty organized homes. Yes, that is my goal. It may seem like a simple task for some, but for those of us here at the Mighty Mama channel, we can all relate to the struggle of cleaning house while living with anxiety and depression. And maybe you too struggle with some hoarding and OCD and procrastination and perfectionism like I do. That's okay, because you are not alone in the struggle. And I know all about that real life mess. So if you are feeling stuck and just like you're drowning under the clutter in your home and you are looking for that real life clean and motivation, then let me help you take control of the mess in your home, cleaning up one small mess at a time. So stick around and subscribe for more.